guys, we're here in North Atlantic. Okay, we are on the vlog now. Where are we now? Second?
No.
We are in the middle of
Atlantic, no.
North Atlantic going America.
No, nearby America. Another 600 nautical miles. We will reach to America.
Oh, 600 nautical miles. Yes, 3 days, yeah? 20 knots, 22 knots.
24 knots. 24 knots. Every day we actually another 1 day.
Another 1 day?
Yeah, 1 day we will reach 600 miles.
Oh, still.
Before America, you need to change your fuel oil.
Fuel oil?
Yeah, 200 nautical miles away.
200 nautical miles away.
5 hours before you need to test your engine, steering gear.
5 hours before?
5 hours before, right?
5 hours before arrival.
5 hours.
How many miles change bunker to diesel?
200 nautical miles.
Diesel, right? Bunker to diesel.
To the low sulfur.
Huh?
Low sulfur.
Oh, low sulfur.
Just start the scupper.
And then how many hours? 5 minutes, 5 hours before check engine?
1.5.
1.5.
12 hours check engine.
12?
12 hours.
So 12 hours check engine before arrive America.
As per America, CFR.
CFR means?
Some civil, some federal regulation.
Regulation.
Or rules. CFR, yeah, rules. Or regulation. Yeah, it's a law.
So the bad,
So many CFR.
but
Just one thing.
the bad weather finish or still have bad weather?
You can see it's still more or less finished.
But we already divert our course, right?
This is the end already. And it's just somewhere behind the low pressure.
Low pressure. But North Atlantic always
You know how to find the low pressure?
Yeah.
You see the wind? The wind came from you.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
listen to the wind.
and then
Like just
The low pressure behind?
Yeah, make your hand just wide so
Yeah.
you sensitive for you.
okay,
Just turn.
Okay.
So the most
strong.
strong one they say. So the wind falls like you are now wind force 6.
6.
So wind force 6 you're facing actually we are not north. We are not severe. So the low pressure at a little behind.
Oh, the behind.
Yeah, a little behind.
If you're in front and then the low pressure behind.
Behind. Yeah.
Low pressure means what?
Low pressure means the center of the low pressure.
Oh. Hello.
Wait a second. Yeah. Okay.
We are in the ship steering. Vocal.
The normal air pressure we use 1013 hectopascal.
Yeah.
That means 1.013 bars. This is the normal pressure. This is the higher. So if lower than this 1013 hectopascal, we think about this one is the low pressure. Higher is high pressure. So right now the center of the low pressure is this area. The most low pressure is called center, with 964.
It's dangerous, dangerous.
Low pressure is much dangerous than high pressure.
Oh,
High pressure always good weather.
good weather, high pressure.
Low pressure also is bad weather.
North Atlantic. Arrive. Ships engine. Strong wind, huh? How many knots the wind?
How many knots now? 33.
33, ah.
Yeah, 33 is the false Victoria. The wind force and the wind speed normally, like wind force 33, you divide by 5, it's 6
Speed.
point something. Yeah, let's say, yeah, it's wind force 7. So 35 to 44 is wind force 8.
Wind force and wind speed, how to calculate?
Normally 5. Like wind force 8, so times 5, 40.
40 is the speed.
Yeah, it's average.
How about the current? Current?
Current, we don't have the force. Like when the speed, wind force and the sea force, we have the force. Current, no force, only speed. Wind force 7, so your sea force will be 6. Your sea force never above more than
Wind speed 7 and then the sea force?
will be 6.
Oh.
Your sea force never above the wind.
Oh, okay.
Because your wind blowing, that's why you have the sea.
Which one strong? Sea or wind?
Wind.
Wind
Wind
is
is
stronger.
stronger than the sea. Always. One stronger. You see forward this cloud?
Yeah, it's cloud now.
It's a low cloud called the cumulonovus.
Oh, you memorize this one, huh? I forgot already.
Yeah. This raining.
Oh, raining.
Yeah, cumulonovus.
Low clouds, ah?
Low cloud.
North Atlantic always na like this, ah?
Yeah, always like that.
Always with a small ship, difficult.
Yeah.
Small ship allowed to cross here?
Can
How so?
small ship they have the
What's the requirement?
if you are less than 100 meters, you think about small ships. They have the special requirement for Atlantic Ocean only winter time. Only winter time they have the special regulation for the small ship less than 100 meters.
Below 100 meter, you cannot cross Atlantic, North Atlantic in
you
winter.
can.
Winter.
You can, but they have a special regulation about his freeboard.
Freeboard.
Yeah, they have
How
special.
how much requirements for freeboard?
Depends on your summer draft, so it will be a little bit lower.
Dangerous? 'Cause,
Yeah.
uh,
So it's more dangerous for the small ships at the winter Atlantic Ocean. That's why it required more freeboard. But you know, freeboard and the stress of the construction makes you old. So all the girder, some blade, stiffer bracket, the connection, the seam.
Yeah.
So it's not good. Better to not.
Cross
Yeah, to
North
not cross.
Atlantic. Yeah, dangerous da.
Every unit, twisted, scratched.
It means our ship is good, ah.
All ships.
Japan, ah. Japan made, ah. Strong.
Yeah, still okay. What do you say? Oh, good afternoon. Finished?
Good morning.
Okay, good night.
See you guys. Okay, I have vlog today. Very good info.